Hello, my little genius. How are you all? Let's see the color. These are beautiful colors. Let's find out the color's name. Purple color, red color, blue color, green color, orange color, yellow color, orange, orange, yellow, orange, yellow. Okay. Now children, here we have already written the lowercase letter. You can see, okay, A to Z. We will write the uppercase in front of the lowercase letter. Okay, let's start with the lowercase letter A. A. This is lowercase letter A. This is uppercase. Letter B. This is lowercase. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Okay, you can see the lowercase and uppercase letter. Okay, thank you for watching, kids.